Hello, my name is Chapman. I am a freelance videographer and a travel filmmaker, and I'm in Kenya.
Because the issues with the road.
Okay. We've arrived. It is beautiful. So I'm going to be here for the next 9 days working with Travel Teacher again. I worked for them last summer in the South Pacific, creating content to promote the brand, and that's what I'm doing again here in Kenya. And yeah, it's an orphanage for all girls, ranging from like age 3 all the way up to 25-ish. So I'm mega excited. So we've just had dinner. Sun's nearly gone down already. We missed sunset unfortunately, so that'll have to be tomorrow. And yeah, we just had dinner. Now we're settling in for the night. So catch you on the morrow.